In this video, we'll show you how to use FaceTime on an iPhone. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. FaceTime is a fantastic way to communicate with others, offering both audio and video call options. Essentially, FaceTime allows you to make calls over the internet. To get started, open the FaceTime app. The first time you open it, you'll need to tap Continue to activate it. This process only takes a few moments. Once activated, you'll see options to start a new FaceTime or create a link at the top, as well as any call history. To start a new FaceTime call, tap New FaceTime. You can select a suggested contact, search for someone, or tap the plus icon to find a contact you want to FaceTime. Alternatively, you can tap Create Link to generate a link that you can share with others. Once you share the link, they can join by tapping it. If you join a link, tap the link and then tap Join at the top right to enter the call. Although the screen may appear black if you're the only one in the call, the controls at the top allow you to manage your speaker, camera, microphone, and even share your screen. Once other participants join, you can begin your conversation. When you're finished, simply tap End in the top right corner to close the call. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like.